Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to be doing is showing you a brand new website, which is rasolutions.co.uk. Now, the purpose of this website is to give you information, help guides on how to use specific things in IT. You can relate them to education, in the classroom, in teaching, or just in the general sense. So there's lots of articles in the blog section. There's lots of videos giving you tutorials, hints, tips, guides on how to use specifics with IT software. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, spreadsheets, Excel, how to use Windows 10, how to use other aspects of IT and computing to help increase or your productivity, making sure what you do is effective and obviously you're working smartly. The other thing is I've added some online courses in there which we'll check out in a second, and also there is a resources shop with some resources, but there's also merchandise obviously, and my hope is that you buy my merchandise, help support this channel, help support our website, our brand moving forward. So let's just check out our website. So rasolutions.co.uk. So this works in Google Chrome and any web browser. You type in rasolutions.co.uk. It will open up this page here. Now there's a section at the top left, top right hand corner here to donate. So if you are willing to donate to my channel, to my website, to our brand, to help us maintain, upkeep this website, I will be ever so grateful. So there's lots of links here on the left right side here as well to my social media, so you can follow us on lots of different social media. You got TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel, and there's an RSS feed here which you can link to whatever RSS reader that you use, and you scroll to the left, then you've got the hyperlinks. So obviously you've got info, which is telling you some information about the website itself. You've got the blog link, which takes you directly to the articles and online guides, and then you've got the videos, which is linked to my YouTube channel, but I'll show you that in a minute. You got bookshop, online courses and resources shop. Let's just focus on this homepage here. Scroll down, you can access the new guides here, view blog here, new videos, clicking on the view videos hyperlink here, and then you've got the new courses button here to access the courses. Then you've got a section on how to contact me. You can email me here, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, find us on Facebook, find us on Twitter there as well. So let's scroll across to the top hyperlink. So blog, if I click on blog, it will take you to the blog page. Now in the blog page there's already lots of different articles already in there. So how to use simple formulas in Microsoft Excel, there's quite a few articles on how to use Excel there. There's a couple on OneNote here, and there's some tips here. I've created an article on how to use Microsoft Word and how to use the new ways of working in Microsoft Word. There's also one here on how to keep yours, obviously to maintain, to push security, how to keep your data safe and secure using the computers. So check these articles out. I will be adding more in due course. Then you've got the videos page here. Click on that and it will take you to the videos page. So this is directly linked to my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and obviously you can play your videos directly through this website, and obviously keep your eye open. So there's new videos added mostly every week, maybe every fortnightly. Yeah, keep your eye on that. Now then, here at the top we have the bookshop. Click on the bookshop here. Now what I've done already, I've added lots of educational leadership books from Amazon. So check this here, and what I'll be doing in the future, I will be adding more books on leadership in the educational setting, and you will see a lot more range of books here which you can choose from through Amazon. That would be great. So they're specific to educational leadership. The next option from the hyperlinks at the top is online courses. There's two options from the drop down menu. There's course list and groups list. Let's click on course list. A number of you have asked me to add online courses on the website, because you're having trouble with a few aspects in terms of IT. For example, a lot of you have asked me about adding courses on Microsoft Excel, so I've added one here on formulas or getting to grips with formulas. To me personally, I think your well-being, getting lots of exercise, being active, and obviously your diet is very important to keep your productivity efficient, keeping you healthy, keeping you mindful, and keeping your well-being to a positive. So a number of you have asked me to add courses on those things, so I've added lots of the different courses on those. So still under the online courses section, click on groups list. Obviously, this website, what I want to do is I want to build a community to discuss, share best practice, share idea. And the last option I wanted to show you is the resources shop. Click on the resources shop there. I've added some merchandise, some RA Solutions branded merchandise, and it will help us out, help us maintain, upkeep this website, and hopefully we'll be able to reduce the prices for you and hopefully have some lot more free resources for you to purchase. So basically I need to pay to host my website, obviously on the internet, on the network. That's why the donations are appreciated. So that's just in a nutshell, rasolutions.co.uk. Please share this website with your friends. Please share it on social media. Get as many people interested as you can. Also, at the same time, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my RA Solutions channel. Subscribe to it, like the videos, click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Take care and goodbye.